In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a social network on Hootsuite. If you no longer manage a particular social account, removing it from Hootsuite helps keep your dashboard organized. It also prevents future posting attempts to the wrong place. Follow along carefully because the menu names and buttons must match what you see on your screen. First, click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner of the Hootsuite dashboard. This icon is usually easy to spot because it sits at the lower left area of the interface. Take a moment to find it before you click, since opening the correct menu matters for the next step. When you select the profile image, you should see a slide-out menu appear. Next, click Social Accounts and Teams from the slide-out menu. This option is where Hootsuite groups the social profiles you have connected, along with the teams that use them. If the menu is still open, look for the exact wording Social Accounts and Teams. Then click it once. After you do, the dashboard should switch to a view that lists your social accounts in a more manageable format. Now locate the profile you want to delete under the Social Accounts section. This is the account you no longer need within Hootsuite. Since you might have more than one social profile connected, confirm the correct one by checking the details in that row. You may find the social network name or account label displayed there. Take your time here because deleting the wrong profile can affect your ability to manage that social presence through Hootsuite. After you find the correct profile, click the V, which is the down arrow icon on the right side of the social account row. This down arrow expands the options related to that specific social account. You should see a small area open up beneath or within that row after you click. This is an important step because it reveals controls that are not visible until the row is expanded. Once the row is expanded, click the three dots icon that appears inside the expanded row options. The three dots typically indicate additional actions and settings. Look carefully inside the expanded area for that three dots button, and then click it. This action will open a menu with the specific command you need to remove the social network from your organization. From that menu, click Delete from Organization. This phrase confirms that you want Hootsuite to remove the connection for that social profile from your organization. Make sure you are selecting the Delete option, not any other management tool that might appear in the same menu. This step is where you initiate the actual removal process. Finally, click OK to confirm the deletion. Confirmation prompts are used to prevent accidental removals, so you should read the prompt quickly and confirm only if it matches the account you intended to delete. After you click OK, Hootsuite should process the removal. Depending on your browser or organization settings, you may see the list update shortly, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to remove a social network on Hootsuite, from opening the correct menu to confirming the deletion.